Hi, AI Megan here. Welcome back to Ask the Instructor presented by Campus Mortgage. Today's question is, the subject property includes a detached guest house and workshop in good condition, but the appraiser questions their contributory value. How does the underwriter assess this for an FHA loan? Here is what our mortgage instructor has to say. The underwriter confirms that the detached structures are residential in nature, legally permitted, and not used for income-producing purposes. Next, the appraiser's comments are reviewed to ensure the main dwelling remains the primary residence and that any contributory value of the outbuildings is supported by comparable sales. In certain situations, FHA may require the appraiser to exclude excessive value for non-residential improvements. Ultimately, the loan is acceptable only if all structures comply with FHA property eligibility, zoning, and safety standards. This concludes our 1-minute video. If you like this video, please help us by clicking the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. And remember, at Campus Mortgage we offer a variety of comprehensive mortgage training and certification programs. To learn how we can help jumpstart your mortgage career, simply download our course catalog at campusmortgage.org. Thank you and make it a great day.